Today I want to show you how to install usage tracking scripts like Google Usage Tracking or a Stat Counter in an Ittrium website. So these are the scripts that are sort of hidden behind the scenes that are recording visitor page visits on your site. And if you look at the source code for a web page, you'll typically see them inserted somewhere down in the lower portion of the page in a script tag. Okay, and for Ittrium websites, you do not have to manually code these in any of the pages. It's a very simple configuration change to install them. So let's just get to it. So in our sites, each site has a site configuration file or a subsite configuration file. So for my help site, I have a file called help.xml that you'll find in the subsites directory. If you don't have subsite configuration on your site, the main site configuration is called site.xml, which is in the properties directory. But for most of our sites, you'll find one or more subsite configuration files listed in the subsites directory. So anyway, you just want to download that file and save it to your local file system. And I'm going to throw it in my demonstration directory. And then I'm going to open it up in Eclipse so you can see what the file looks like. I'll refresh this. Now I already have the scripts in here, but what you're going to drop in your site by default is going to be this code, and you already will have a palette variable section, so you need this one variable. And what's important about this variable is that the name of the variable is HTML usage tracking. Variable names are always uppercase that are palette variables. And then since this node or this variable is going to contain JavaScript, you need to throw it inside a CData tag. And the CData tag, you want it to be directly after the opening variable node here. So you do not want to have any space or line breaks, so do not do this. Alright, you need to keep it tucked up nice and neat here. Otherwise, when we extract the node, we'll have multiple text nodes and we will not get what we're looking for your script. Anyway, once you drop this in, then you can add as many lines as you want to. In my case, I've got stat counter code and I've got some Google usage tracking code here. This is the stuff that you generate off Google site or stat counter or wherever else, and then just drop your script as is directly in here. Save your changes and then return to the site and replace this file. So you're going to browse, go back, grab your file, open, and replace. And actually, if you refresh the file list here, browse, open, and replace. Okay, so that will get you an updated copy of the file here, then purge your cache. And then when you return to your site, if you visit any page on your site, then you will have your usage tracking scripts installed in those pages. Alright, so that's it for installing Google usage tracking and other scripts. Simple and easy.